As you know, this Lamusemo was not working, but I found there is buzzing sound here. There is buzzing sound in male female plug there, down there. As you can hear that noise, I have to find the way to remove that buzzing sound from this male female plug, and the problem will be finished. You hear this one? Okay. I don't know why it happened, but that's the main problem. How to remove this buzzing sound? You can write me in the comment section out there.